Welcome back to Top Notch Tech. Today we've got something really exciting lined up for you. If you're a fan of transforming your yard into a tech-savvy paradise, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 must-have technologies for your yard that will not only make your outdoor space smarter, but also enhance your overall experience. So let's dive right in. Number 1, smart irrigation system. First up on our list, this is a game changer for anyone with a green thumb, a smart irrigation system. Imagine a system that can adjust watering schedules based on real-time weather data, soil moisture, and even the specific needs of your plants. With smart foam integration, you can control it from anywhere, ensuring your plants stay happy and healthy without wasting water. Number 2, outdoor entertainment system. Who doesn't love quality outdoor entertainment? This is a weather-resistant TV or outdoor speakers and even a projector for those movie nights under the stars. With wireless connectivity, you can stream your favorite shows, movies, games, or even host an epic sports viewing party right in your own yard. Number 3 on the list, smart lighting. Now let's talk about ambiance. Smart lighting takes the 3rd spot on our list with color-changing LED lights that you can control with a tap of your smartphone. You can set the perfect mood for any occasion. These lights can transform your yard into a magical paradise. Coming up, number 4, robotic lawnmower. This is a true time saver, the robotic lawnmower. Say goodbye to the hassle of pushing heavy machinery around. This smart gadget will mow your lawn autonomously, following a preset schedule or even adapting to grass growth. It's like having your own personal lawn care system. Number 5 on our list, outdoor security cameras. Last but certainly not least, security matters. Securing your yard is vital, which is why we've chosen outdoor security cameras for our 5th technology. These cameras can provide real-time footage, motion alerts, and even night vision to keep your property safe. With remote access via your phone, you'll have peace of mind whether you're at home or away. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 technologies to transform your yard into a high-tech oasis. From smart irrigation to outdoor entertainment, these innovations will revolutionize the way you enjoy your outdoor space. Hey, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you found these ideas inspiring, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more existing tech updates. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.